Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can change the background color of a div element. As you can see, I got div element here and the background color is gray. I got three buttons also. The first one is red. The moment when I will click on this red button, the color will change to red. In case of a green, it will become green. And in case of blue, it will become blue. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, which will be style.css. Also add a script tag at the bottom. Script will be script.js. Now here we need three buttons. So let's use section element here and add three buttons. Let's make it red. Also give it a ID. Now just copy and paste it. Let's make it green. Let's make it blue. Same goes here. It will be blue and it will be green. We need one div element. So let's create one here. It will be empty. Just save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. It will be style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be aqua. Select section element. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Gap will be 10 pixels. And margin bottom will be 10 pixels. Select the button element. Padding will be 10 pixel and 25 pixel. Background color will be crimson. Font color will be white. Font weight will be bold. Cursor will be pointer. Border will be none. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Select div element. Height will be 250 pixels. Width will be same, 250 pixels. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Background color will be gray. And margin will be 0 and auto, just to make sure it is center lined. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So that's the output. Now it's time to work on the script file. So let's go to code editor. Let's create a script file here. That will be script.js. Select all the buttons as well as the div element. So let's start with div element first. So selected by the tag div. Now let's select the first button, which is red. So selected by the ID. I'll just copy and paste it 2 times. Let's make it green. Make it blue. Same goes here. Blue and green. Now it's time to add event listener to all the buttons. Let's start with the red. Event will be click. And this will be the handler function. Inside this handler function, we'll use the div element. And there is style property. And in the style property, we have this background color property. We'll set it to red like this. Now just copy and paste it 2 times. Let's make it green. Same goes here. Green. Here it will be blue. Same goes here. Blue. So that's all what you need. So whenever you want to change the background color of a div element using JavaScript, you can follow this approach. Select the div element like this. Then use the style property. Then use the background color property. And then you can assign the hex value or a string such as red, green or blue. Just save it. Now go to browser. Now let's click on this red button to see if it changes. So you can see it is working Let's try with the green one. So it's working. Let's try with this blue, and it is also working. So I hope you understood how to change the background color of a div element using JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.